Hey everyone, I thought I would show you an updated side view of my room, and I absolutely adore it. You want to see the babies first though? This is only for the people who follow me. We got these beds from Amazon. They're called, what are they called? They're called Coolaroos. Coolaroos. So anyways, okay. So I'm only going to show you this side. This is the only side that is a little different. So if you watched all my videos with my room tour, you'll know that I had all kinds of dies hanging from my area. Well, I took them all off because I wasn't really using them. So I'm not using my dies as much as I used to, and that's okay. But I did put them away because I am using the heck out of my acrylic drawers. Now, if you remember, I had only like maybe two. I had two sets of, so there are 2 drawers per container. So there were 4 drawers. So what I did is I had my husband take off the ribbon, the ribbon, little rabbit there, the ribbon trim thing, and I stacked more of the acrylics up there instead. And because that is what I use, it's not everyone's cup of tea to see everything that you own, but it is for me, and that's how I work, and I love it. So this is how I get my embellishments on all my projects, because I can see it. So I'll show you a little bit of what I did. So what I ended up doing is going to get kind of weird here because I'm just going to open drawers. So these are all just my enamel dots. These are just the dots. So they're all the round ones. And what I did is I color coded them. And so we have like the pinks. And then this one is like, let's see, gold, red, and yellow. And you have black and then the mixed. And I also added some of my other dots that I wanted to keep together instead of putting them all separately. And then I end up, I'm not going to, you can see what I put in them. I don't have to tell you every time. And these are the, I love spellbinders, but I had found that I wasn't really using them. And when I started taking them out and using them, actually seeing them like this, I started using them on my layouts, and I adore that. So my butterflies, because I make cards, this is all for my PL. I'm kind of going to maybe open up a few of the drawers, that way you guys can completely see what's happening. So you usually use 2 hands to do these things. So these are all my heart enamel dots, heart paper ones, hearts, just heart stuff, because I constantly put heart stuff on my layouts. And this one is the little bit of odds and ends, so a little bit odds and ends in there. Then more hearts. I have lots of hearts, you guys, lots of bows. I do all my labels. Those are all Kelly Perky ones. You know how much I love my bows, and I love my charms and what are they called? Cabochons. So all sentiments. I have lots of sentiment drawers because I go through them so much. And then, oops, let me look at the camera. See what's happening here. I put all my Tim Holtz stuff in here. Do you guys want me to go through every drawer? I'm assuming you might. So let me do a little bit. This is kind of funny because look at all you see is people. It's a little bit on the creepy side, but you know, it is what it is. This spellbinder stuff. So the oh my lordy. The spellbinder stuff I kept together though. I just separated them in like sentiments, flowers, animals, things like that. This is my Queen and Company shaker bits. So I put those in there. More of the capuchons. You have to say it like that, okay, guys? That's the new rule. If you say capuchons, you have to say it like that. So, like an 80s movie. More labels, because I go through labels a lot. I go through hearts a lot. I put hearts on everything. Stars for my books. Stars for Tim and I, for our books. So we need that. Hearts. And then this one is coffee and books. Coffee and book stickers. This is more of the longer sentiments from like Ellie Studio. What's the other one? Ellie Studio. This is Coco Daisy. Kelly Perky. What is it called? Ellie Studio and Color Cast Designs. More sentiments. I like keeping my sentiments together. It's easier for me. More spellbinders. I have like 5 drawers of spellbinders. Whoops. Let's go up. Tim Holtz. This may be too messy for you guys. You do you, and it's okay. You guys figure out what you like. I'm just giving you ideas for the people who want to see their stuff. That's all. Halloween. I was gonna do Christmas, but I was like, no, I want my Christmas to stay separate. I don't want. I want it to stay all together. These are the animal spellbinders. These are more of the Kelly Perky ones. More capuchons. I feel like doing a ninja move while doing it too. So these are like the books I was talking about in coffee. I have two bins of those. I have my flare. Gotta use those a little bit more. More hearts. I think, what is that, like 4 drawers of hearts? But I use them, so can't stars. Let me go around here. These are all the wood veneers. This is what started it all, because I was not using my wood veneers because they were in a storage unit, which I couldn't see. And I'm like, I need to see my stuff. I am someone who needs to see their stuff. And if you watch like Jennifer Maguire, all her stuff needs to be hidden because she gets overwhelmed. Everybody is different. Isn't that what makes life and so much fun? Because everyone's different. So I'm just doing me, and I work well this way. Cork. More Queen and Company fluff and little coffee bits and stuff. And then, what do we have here? Sorry, I couldn't see. I got one that is it stuck or is it just me? Because you usually need, like, you know, with these things, you need a little bit more patience for this one, because this is but I don't really use it, so it's okay. I don't mind it. But yeah, so that's what's in those drawers. And then, of course, you already know I've had these for years up here. My bits from my PL. I have, you know, like all the extra little stuff I don't use. I put on a layout, or any extras that came off sticker packs. I just put them in their color combo. And that works for me. That helps me when I need like a pink thing, but I don't want to bring out all my stickers. So what I do is I just end up bringing out down one of the bins and seeing if I have something that works there. And it does, usually. So, hey, it works, it works, it works. I usually get gifts from friends and some followers, and I always keep all my stuff and I display it all. And then I end up putting my punches up there. Oh my goodness, I'm out of breath because this is exciting. But I hope you got some, you know, some idea from this. I've always loved acrylics, and I've had these acrylics for years as far as the bottom ones. But expanding it, yeah, good job. I'm like, yes. It works out so perfectly for me, you guys. I have used my stuff even more than I had before. So this is the one side. Nothing's really changed on the others, so nothing to see over there. Nothing to see over there. Capuchons. All right, guys, take care.